MPI has lasted for over 50 years because MPI is really specialized in innovation. We're not just wax injection equipment. We are the state-of-the-art wax room and ceramic core injection, assembly, and automation equipment. And we're constantly looking for ways to make our products and our processes better so that our customers have a higher quality product. We're looking to help them solve their problems for the last time.
We have a pattern production department that actually allows us to see firsthand the operation of our equipment, so it's a valuable tool to our engineering staff to continually improve our process and our products to our customers. And the true returns from automation comes from the repeatability and the reliability of the equipment. Robots work each and every day. They make the products exactly the same each and every time. And in the investment casting industry, and specifically in the wax room, that's critical because the wax room is the first step in the casting process, and any variation we take out of the process in the wax room directly adds to gains to every downstream operation.
What we've seen is by automating, we can actually reduce that customer's scrap rate, sometimes by as much as 50%. If you handle the part the same way every time with a robot, you're going to get the exact same part every single time. There is a lot of pushback due to perceived complexity of automation. Too often, foundries hesitate or resist when the topic of automation comes up. For many foundries, it can feel overly complex. Most believe automation is only for very high volume or very high value parts, but this is not true. MPI offers a range of automation solutions, from high-end complex aerospace to the low-volume, high changeover job shop foundries that make up the majority of the investment casting industry. What we've been able to demonstrate time and time again is that automation at all levels reduces scrap rates in both wax and metal, increases throughput, improves yield, and has a direct measurable impact on all the downstream processes throughout the foundry. When these factors are counted, the return on investment is not only justified, but obvious and achievable. If you're interested, please contact us to receive a copy of a white paper and presentation we gave at the ICI in 2025, which demonstrates these claims. We look forward to working with you.